and welcome to LibbyStamps.com. My name's Libby Dyson. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And all the products we use today in today's video are available in my online store. Go to LibbyStamps.com, click on the shop button and you can buy them. Alright, so we're making another quick project today for Mother's Day, and I'm using these bulldog clips that I bought at Kmart, I think, for a couple of dollars, but you can get them in the dollar stores. Mums are always looking for items to peg their bits and pieces together, so we've got this bulldog clip that will work nicely, and it'll go nicely with that paper clip we made the other day. Alright, so I'm using the Share What We Love Designer Series paper, which has got a beautiful pearlized finish. I think you can maybe see that on there. Can you see how it's lovely and pearly sort of finished? And I've done flower, 3D sort of flower. Well, it's 2D because I've only got two of them, but anyway. So we've done that on there. So we'll get started. What I did was, and this is a gold clip. We're using copper for today's project. I measured across from here to here, and it's about 1 1/4 inches. And then I simply put it down. I put it down on the wrong side first, and then twisted it around, then making sure I've got that side like that, and I've come in with my pencil and I've just marked there where I need to cut it, and then I've brought in my trimmer and cut where that pencil mark is. So my bulldog clip was 1 1/4 inches wide, and I'll tell you what that is in metric in a minute. 1 1/4 inches is 3.2 centimeters, and I've cut it 4.6 centimeters long, or 1 3/4 inches. Close enough. Alright, but you'll get the length from your bulldog clip that you're going to use. Then I've brought in some Stampin' Dimensionals, and with my paper piercer I've put dimensionals on the sides here, doing it so hopefully you can see it. So just on the side and on the other side, so that you've got those bits stuck in. I couldn't think of another way to do it. You could use fine tip glue pen, but it'd have to sit and hold it or have something on it. And then this one I'm bringing down towards the bottom of the middle part, because I don't want it going over the top where the Designer Series paper won't be. So then I just come in and stick it down like that, and then with my bone folder I just gave that a nice rub to make sure it was well adhered. Then on the bottom of my bulldog clip I've got a little spring, I suppose it is. So I put another glue dot on that, bend your Designer Series paper over, and then give that a good rub with your bone folder. And then on this side you're going to put your glue dots again. Sometimes they don't want to come off the paper piece, so you've got to give them a bit of encouragement. Alright, and 3, then bend this over, push it down, and in again with your bone folder to make sure it's well adhered. Now you could leave it like that. That looks pretty, just like that, but we're going to go ahead and decorate it with flowers. So I've just cut these flowers off the DSP, and I'm going to use some mini dimensionals. So this is the Share What We Love Designer Series paper. It's just beautiful. I'm just going to put the mini dimensionals on the edge of the bulldog clip, so I don't have any adhesive on the back of the flowers showing, because then that'll pick up dirt and grime and sticky fingers. Alright, so we'll add that to there like that. Alright, and then I've got this bit here. I'm just going to fix up this flower. I cut it off an edge, so I'm just going to encourage the shape a bit. I like that, and I might put that down here. So again, in with some mini dimensionals, and this time I'm going to put it on the back of the flower, and then take the backing off those, and there. I want to sort of make it look a bit 3D. There we go. The other day I showed you how to put the fine tip glue pen and use it as a sheen, and that's what I've done on here. I hope you can see that. So we're going to do that again, and I'm going to bring in just a scrap of DSP that I had, and I'm going to just colour in really the flowers with my fine tip glue pen, and just give it a coating all over, and then just underneath, if you can see any bits, and then on that spare bit that we cut off, just put a little bit so that you can touch that to see if it's dry rather than touch the actual project. So there we have 2 lovely bulldog clips. All right, thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.
Imagination, try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration. All I'm saying is you can do it. I wanna hear